Okay, so here we have 1 log. It's log to the base 7 of 3xy. Now remember what 3xy means. We always have to go back to basics. 3xy means 3 times x times y. And remember that we have a link between multiplication and addition with logs. Okay, we have a link between addition and multiplication involving logs. And what we can do is we can separate each of these 3 factors, 1, 2, and 3. We can separate each of these 3 factors into individual logs, and we just add them together. So that's all we're going to do here. We're going to break this up into 3 logs, a log of 3, a log of x, and a log of y. And we're going to add them together. Okay, so you break all the factors up separately and you add them together. And then the last thing you need to do is remember the base. Okay, remember the base here. Okay, so the base is 7, and that base has to stay the same. So it's log of 3 to the base 7, plus log of x to the base 7, plus log of y to the base 7. And that's our answer. We've split it up. Okay.